So let me show you our improved MIDI app. Our improved MIDI app. What it does now, right? I've never seen anything like this, and I've used a couple of like your the platforms that will visualize the notes as you play them. It's something that we did, and I don't think you're gonna find it on a lot of platforms. Like I said, I've never seen it before. We have your standard when you plug in your MIDI here, it's gonna move, it's gonna show. And then here's what we added. We added instruments here. I know it's crazy, and this is web based, by the way. We've added instruments here. Literally, when you click on start audio engine, right, you start the timer here. You see start the timer. When you put in your MIDI, which I've not inputted my MIDI as yet, but I'm going to demonstrate and show you also the sounds that are coming out here. They're clean. Like you see, I even set in bracket because I was just amazed at how that grand piano came. Like the sound, it was so amazing, it was so good, right? Obviously you didn't want to add a lot of sounds because you still have your likes of like your Logic, your GarageBand, and other tools that you might be using for sounds, right? Ableton and Mainstage, right? But for those that are like, okay, it's fine, maybe I'm doing a tutorial and I don't want to open another app, because you know how that is like when you're opening multiple apps, especially if your computer is not that robust. It can be a little bit heavy. You've opened a lot of tools, recording tool on your website, so you can just do that from this uh, page here. You come here, demonstrate the visuals, you also select the sound. How amazing is that? And the chords, they will show while you are here. And of course it can detect the sustain, the modification wheel, pitch bend, and all those other things. You can make some notes here, copy them as well. Look, do me a favor, after you've used this tool, if you feel like this is cool, share it with other musicians, share it with other piano players, that share it with other instructors, people that are doing tutorials, or maybe even just people that want to document their journey. Let's help as many people get this kind of tool. If someone is already having this kind of tool and it's better, look, good for them, I'm happy for them. But if you feel like someone is gonna need this, by all means, please share it. Okay, let me show you something cool. Come to Tshepho Lessons. Go to the MIDI piano app, right? This MIDI piano app is so cool. It does not only show you the chords as you move. I've connected my piano here, right? I've connected my piano. You can see here right now I'm playing F sharp. You can go to E, right? And it's calling out those numbers correctly, right? But now you'll notice right now all it's doing, just like most of the visualizers that are out there for piano, it's just showing me the chords, right? But it's what we've added. We've added the sound that are gonna come from this app. How cool is that? What I just wanna do, come here, start audio engine. What it does is start the timer there, and then let me select a sound. So when I've started that engine, also the harmony engine here starts showing chords. This is an engine. This is an engine, guys. It runs on sound, it runs on those visuals, and also on the timer as well, right? We've improved this. Make sure that you get the sound as well. How cool is that? You don't have to rely on the sounds from, maybe you're using GarageBand, Logic Pro, Ableton, whatever tool that you're using for sound. You can literally get the sound from this alone. And the piano here, I'm telling you, man, it's amazing, it's clean, right? Let's check the organ, right? How amazing is that? Let's check this one as well, the synth. Okay, not bad, not bad. The last one, let's just check this one here. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Electric. Right? Let me move to another key. Let's take E. This is no longer just your chords visualizer. It literally produces sound as well. I can imagine once you've plugged this into your speakers, you're literally gonna be, you can play the sounds from here, right on our MIDI piano app. How cool is that, right? You don't have to open another tool that's gonna make your machine heavy. And look, of course, this, I mean, we're not gonna be adding a lot of sounds because the idea is so that you can have visuals, but at the same time, we're giving you a couple of sounds as well, right? You have the timer there. So please show some love, share this, utilize this, and I hope that you're gonna, appreciate this tool that we've built just for you. There you have it.